Hi guys, this is Abdul Karim. Today we are learning past perfect tense. We have already discussed about the past simple and past continuous, but now we are gonna discuss all of them together because it's a quality of past perfect. It does not leave alone past simple, past continuous. Whenever you talk about past perfect, we have to use past simple and past continuous with it. How? Before giving any information about that, you are requested to please subscribe my channel, like my video, watch till the end. Furthermore, I have shared my WhatsApp number. If you have got any confusion at any level, kindly send your message. I will definitely answer you about that and your confusion will be cleared. Furthermore, let's talk about its structure first. It's all about subject, head, verb third form and then object. For interrogative, you need to place head before subject. For negative, you need to add not with head. Where to use it? It's a past of the past. What does it mean? Yes, it's a past of the past. Means it is used before past simple and past continuous. For example, yesterday I went home, everybody had gone. What does it mean? Before reaching at home, past perfect had performed its action. Means everybody had gone. Means my home was empty. No one was there. Furthermore, yesterday I was calling you. You had slept. Means before calling you, past perfect had performed its duty. Means you had slept. Okay, the action had been done before past continuous. Simply it is. Yesterday you brought food for me, but I had already eaten. Means before past simple, something had been done or I have eaten food. How? Very simple it is. It is so simple to understand. Simply it is used before past simple and past continuous because it's a past of the past. I hope you have understood about that. You have liked my video. If you have got any confusion, so kindly send a message to me. It will be cleared. Furthermore, my next video is about to come. It would be all about past perfect continuous. Take care.